Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Joe, the Observant Lad. A moral story: be observant of your surroundings. Joe lived in King George's kingdom. Even though Joe was highly educated, he could not find a job. He finally decided to meet King George and ask him for help. "Maybe he can give me some work," Joe explained to his mother. Joe's mother supported him, and the next day, Joe stood outside the gates of the palace and waited for the king. While waiting at the gate, Joe observed all the people who visited the king. Many people came to the palace to work. A few others came to meet the king to get some help. Joe noticed that out of the 10 people who went inside the palace, only 9 of them came back out. When it was Joe's turn to meet the king, he informed the king about his observation. The soldiers found the stranger hiding behind the king's throne, ready to kill him. The king was impressed with Joe and appointed him as the commander of his army.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.